Oh, you went up there go hiking? Oh, wow, awesome. This Chester, that's Ken, Trailblazer, and Yoram. We're gonna hit the trails today. We're talking story about a crazy policeman we get over here in Hawaii. But we get our fearless leader today. Gonna be none other than our Trailblazer. Yes. And Yoram. That's his screen name. I got a channel on YouTube.
Yeah, I saw his Trailblazer a long time ago.
Oh. If you get a chance, try to look at Just Ride 7 on YouTube. JUSRIDE. The numbers. That's my channel. That's all of our adventures up here. And I get some kawaii stuff too.
It doesn't go bouncing around. I see a lot of. Oh no, I'm getting all dizzy. Watching the GoPro videos. You can see the bike narrates motion sickness.
Yeah. Yeah, talk about the wahinis I see in the bars. I get the helmet cam in a bar.